Okay, simple-ish guitar part for Drunk by Ed Sheeran. First of all, you need to know a couple of chords. Don't forget, on a guitar, string 6 is nearest your head, string 1 is nearest the floor. Just for the purpose of this, I'll sort of strum up here so you can see where I'm strumming, but obviously normally you'd be strumming down there. The chords you need, first of all, for the first section, for the verse, you need the chord of G, and that is finger number 1, string 5, fret 2, finger number 2, string 6, fret 3, finger number 3, string 1, fret 3 down the bottom. If necessary, you can miss off that third finger, and it still sounds reasonable. Next chord you need is a chord of E minor, easy peasy. First finger, string 5, fret 2, second finger, string 4, fret 2, just underneath it. Strum all the strings, E minor. Third chord, chord of C. First finger, string 2, fret 1. Second finger, string 4, fret 2. Third finger, string 5, fret 3. Chord of C. And for this first part, this is the first page here, just bear in mind that every bar here lasts for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next bar, 2, 3, 4. Next bar, 2, 3, 4. So in each bar, you can just simply strum the chord once. So you'll notice that it's 2 chords of G, 2 E minors, 2 Cs and 2 Gs. So you could just go G, do 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 do, G again, do 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 do, E minor, do 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 do, E minor for the second time, then a C, do 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 do, C, do 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 do, and then G twice to finish. And in the verse it does that whole pattern twice. Okay, so that you could just strum 1 chord per bar, or if you want to add a strumming pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G to finish with. And don't forget that even though it finishes on G, it starts again on G as well. So that verse section happens twice for each verse. The introduction, by the way, is just a chord of G for 2 bars on its own. That's the first bit. Second bit, you'll see on the music. Now hopefully you'll note at the top of page 2 here, there are actually 2 chords per bar. So instead of being 4 beats per chord, now they're going to be 2 beats for a chord. So it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And please note, this section is times 3 before you carry on. So this is the bit that goes something along the lines of and so you're having to move quite fast. It's a chord of E minor, which we had before, to a chord of D, which is a little triangle shape down here. First finger, string 3, fret 2. Second finger, string 1, fret 2. Third finger, string 2, fret 3. Try and avoid striking this bottom string there, string 6. Then it's G, which we've already had. And then C, which we've already had. But remember, you're holding these just for 2 beats each. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then second time. Third time. And then the music carries on, G, D, C. But you will notice G, 2 beats, D, 2 beats, but there's only 1 chord in this bar, which is the C chord, so that lasts for 4 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the bit something like will I, before the chorus, which goes into da da da, 1, 2, 3, 4, then G, 2, 3, 4. It's E minor, 3, 4, then G, and do that 3 times. E minor, then G, and then it finishes on a chord of C, da 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 da, da D, and you're back to the verse. Okay. If I just do the first section, hopefully sort of along with the music, and see if you can hear it. So the introduction is just a chord of G there. Then it starts G, G, then change to E minor, E minor, C, C again, G. Then you repeat all that. I'll just do one per bar now. G, 2, 3, G again, E minor, E minor again, chord of C, chord of C again, chord of G. Now we're going on to top of page 2 beats per chord, E minor, then D, then G, then C, same again, E minor, D, G, C, E minor, third time, D, G, C, carrying on, so it's G, D, C, last line, E minor, 2, 3, 4, G, and you do these 2 bars times 3, E minor, G, third time, finishes with a C and then a D, and then we're back to the verse again. Okay, and that's the guitar part. Watch this, let me stop that. Watch it bits at a time. The first thing you need to do is get the chords down and sorted.